Hello everyone, this is Delareyna in week 8 topic. What does the environment play in the future of business? Actually, this is a very important question because currently and actually throughout history, most of the world's countries have fought for natural resources. And in today's business environment, we see actually global companies, global conglomerates, if we can say, fighting for the world's natural resources. And in this day and age, people are realizing that the natural resources are limited, and the ones who have control over these resources will have a lot of leverage to bring in a lot of revenue. Because of this, we see that a lot of countries are abusing other countries' political laws, and a lot of businesses are carrying operations in a global scale and distributing operations where they can benefit most from the current and local government regulations. This, for example, in China, labor is relatively cheap and labor rights are lower than the United States. So we see a lot of United States-based companies carry their operations, especially production, over to China because of these labor laws to be able to get the minimum cost and most effective labor. So with this comes, with lower regulation comes less care about the nature. In these countries, we see a lot of air pollution, a lot of water pollution, and we see that the natural resources of the world is being used quite rapidly. For example, a scale to put things into a scale, a company called IKEA, which is a furniture manufacturer, they use 1% of the world's entire forest. To just think one company is using 1% of the entire forest of the world is just beyond mind. It's mind blowing, and these companies have to get some social responsibility to take better care of the natural resources and the environment. People realize that using the environment in this way will not last long, and public groups, public organizations about global warming, um, the running out of clean water, not able to have enough resources for gas. A lot of companies and businesses have to adapt to these demands from people to keep cleaner organizations, keep more fair and more environmentally friendly operations. And this has been a push from the consumers, and the growth of organic food, the sustaining and government regulations about getting rid of waste, recycling, and using recycled, reused goods is becoming more and more important. There are some countries in the world that have accomplished nature-friendly practices. For example, Switzerland has run out of waste and is actually being paid by other countries to get their waste, and then they're using it to convert it into energy. So practices like this will be the future of the business, and environmental friendliness will become a must, because even the businesses, although the profits seem higher, they will realize that for their well-being and for their future in the world, they will also have to take care of the nature and use their resources minimally.